Welcome to this 10 minutes Kundalini yoga for positive energy flow. Palms together, close your eyes, and let's tune in. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Hold your breath and relax. Now let's move to the first pose. Open your right hand. Hook your right ring finger and pinky finger back. Bend your left knee. Keep your right leg straight. Grab your right foot's big toe with your right hand and grab the outside of your right foot from under your right arm with your left hand. And now we'll do breath of fire. Breath of fire is a short yet very powerful breathing technique. Exhale powerfully, at the same time contract your belly inward and upward. Inhale passively. Keep pumping your belly. Now hold your breath and relax. Next, let's switch side. Bend your right knee. Keep your left leg straight. This time, use your left hand to grab the big toe of your left foot and right hand under your left hand and grab the outside of your left foot. Again, breath of fire. Pump your belly. Now hold your breath and relax. Very good. Next, we move into the spinal flex pose. Sit in easy pose. Grab the ankles. As you inhale powerfully, flex the spine forward. And exhale and relax the spine back. Inhale, move the spine forward. Exhale, relax the spine back. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed, and we call this easy pose. Grab your ankles. Inhale deeply and lengthen your spine, reaching the crown of your head towards the ceiling. On your exhale, round and relax your spine. Repeat this movement. Inhale to lengthen and exhale to relax. As you move through this pose, focus on creating the fluid motion with your breath and your movement. Feel your spine lengthening and releasing tension with each breath. Now, here, hold your breath and relax. Put your hands on your knees. Just close your eyes. Sit here. Relax and quiet your mind. Take a moment to notice how you feel, both physically and mentally, after practicing today's Kundalini Yoga. I hope you feel more energized, more centered, and more connected to your body and mind. Sat Nam.